Buckle up, folks. The U.S. economy just got a major glow-up, with its second quarter performance revised to a sizzling 3.8% growth rate that's way stronger than we first thought. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this a sign of unstoppable resilience, or could it mask deeper issues lurking beneath the surface? Let's dive into the details and unpack what this means for everyday Americans, keeping things simple and straightforward so everyone can follow along. Coming from Washington, the latest buzz is that the U.S. economy's rebound in the second quarter has been bumped up yet again by experts, and many believe that this strong momentum rolled right into the third quarter, highlighting just how tough and adaptable the world's biggest economy can be. Gross domestic product. That's basically the total value of all goods and services produced in the country, like a giant scorecard for economic health, climbed at an annualized rate of 3.8% from April through June, according to the Commerce Department's final estimate released on Thursday. This beats the previous second estimate of 3.3% and blows past the initial 3% figure, showing a real upward revision that economists are still buzzing about. To make this easier to grasp, think of GDP as the engine of the economy. When it grows, it means more jobs, higher wages, and more stuff being bought and sold. In this case, what powered the engine? Well, a drop in imports, meaning fewer goods coming in from overseas, combined with American consumers who kept their wallets open and spending habits strong. This fueled the comeback after a rough start to the year, when the economy actually shrank a bit. That early dip happened because importers piled up extra inventories to dodge the potential hit from President Donald Trump's tariffs on imports, which ended up subtracting from GDP growth. For beginners, tariffs are like extra taxes on foreign goods, making them more expensive and sometimes leading businesses to stock up in advance to avoid price hikes. A move that can temporarily slow things down. And this is the part most people miss. The Federal Reserve Bank of Atlanta is forecasting that GDP kept roaring ahead at a healthy clip in the third quarter. The government's first official look at third quarter numbers is set to drop next month, so stay tuned for more updates. But here's the twist that might spark debate. While this growth sounds fantastic, some critics argue that relying on consumer spending and import dips might not be sustainable long-term, especially if global trade tensions flare up again. Is this just a temporary high, or proof that the economy is bouncing back stronger than ever? What do you think? Do Trump's tariff policies deserve credit for this rebound? Or did they actually cause more harm than good? We'd love to hear your take in the comments. Agree, disagree, or share your own economic predictions. This story is still unfolding, so we'll keep you posted as new details emerge.